I want to thank Tori for inspiring today's recipe, which is a breakfast crescent braid. It has mini sweet peppers, mild pork sausage, Colby Jack cheese, onion, garlic, and crescent rolls. My first step is I'm going to shred my Colby Jack cheese. Now you can use any cheese, but this is what I picked for today. Now I won't need all of this, but I'll have it ready for the next time that I do. It's time to chop. So I have about half of a small to a medium onion. I've got a garlic clove, and I have mini sweet peppers, multicolored. Not sweet potatoes, sweet peppers, which in the store, I've never used these before. They look so cool. They came in a bag of small, which is what I've got. There's a medium size and there was even a large size. So I'm definitely going to use those more often. We like onion, but we like it chopped small. Don't want to get a big piece of onion. That looks good. All right, next thing is garlic. So that wasn't in her original recipe. We're trying it to see if we like it. We like garlic. And of course, I'm going to use it in my mincer. Okay, now I'm going to chop my peppers. There is seeds in them. I'm going to try and take most of them out. So we have red, we have orange, we have yellow. I like that. A lot of color. So this is just a guess on how much to use. Of course, adjust it to how you like it. Maybe about equal to the amount of the onion. Okay, I have a pound of mild sausage. Now you can certainly use spicy or a flavored sausage, but this is what we like. I might not use all the sausage and the filling, but I'm just gonna go ahead and cook everything up. So we wanna cook it all the way till it crumbles, and then we're gonna let it drain. It's just about done, and I know that because I have sausage hand. That's a term Mark just made up. Never heard of that before.
Why is it called sausage hand?
Because the steam coming up from the pan.
Yep, makes your hand all wet.
Makes your hand all wet.
Hence, sausage hand.
That's new to me. All right, so I'm going to put it in this pan to drain. We're going to use the moisture left in the pan from the sausage. We're going to use that to cook the onions, the sweet peppers, and the garlic. All right, everything's cooked. Now I'm gonna add half a cup of cheese, or you could certainly add more. We're gonna start with that. This is gonna be our filling, And we're going to add the sausage to it also. Or put that aside. Okay, there's our filling. Now I'm gonna put the crescent rolls. I have our oven preheating to 350. All right, let's see, ready? Oh, usually it's pretty loud. Okay. Either parchment paper or this kind of liner so that this doesn't stick. This is a Silpat liner for your cooking sheet, for your cookie sheet or cooking sheet. I'm gonna just put it right down the middle. So you could do all this filling part ahead of time or the night before if you're going to serve it for breakfast the next morning or brunch. Now I'm going to use my scissors. I saw somebody do that for braiding. Have to do the other side. Okay, I'm going to start with the second one in. So if it comes apart, just try and push it back together. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna add, some more cheese across the top. Let's say another half a cup, maybe 3/4 of a cup. I'm going right down the center. Okay. The oven's preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and now I'm going to cook it for 20 minutes. I'd like to thank Tori for this recipe. Her creation. You know, bacon would be good in this too. I didn't think about that till just now. Okay, what do you think about the changes?
This is fantastic.
This is good. Oh my gosh.
Really good. It holds together better than the first recipe.
Yeah.
So I think the first one just had too much sausage in it.
Yeah, I think so too. Now, she said she used the whole package of sausage, a 1-pound tube, but as you can see, I struggled to keep it in the middle there as I was braiding it.
I love the sweet peppers.
I do too. Who knew all these years?
What a great flavor.
And the funny part is we didn't add any seasonings, no salt, pepper, or anything else. This is just these ingredients.
Well, this goes on the keeper recipe list,
Definitely
Bridget.
on the keeper.
I like this one.
Well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.